I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. This what the wig's supposed to look like, y'all, right there. Baby, they put 14 strands of hair on this wig instead. Ship it! Why would y'all do me like this? Baby!
Too loud. You don't get your 1947 images.
Cousins, I am on a mission to find the littiest mullet wig on Amazon, period. I've been on this mission for several years now. Ain't nobody over here been hooping and hollering. Can I put it to you like that? I found 2 wigs on Amazon that I'm gonna be trying today because I want to find the littiest.
I want a mullet wig.
Y'all don't want mullet wigs? Y'all through with it? Y'all above it? Cause I'm not. Let's get into this first wig. We dealing with food line bags. There's nothing I can say about that. That's how they coming at it. That's what they decided to do. I'm going to find a banging mullet wig on Amazon. I am. Some mornings that coffee will have you zooted. Honey, we don't even have a label on there. I don't know which one this is. Oh, they're both from the same. Okay, so both of these wigs are from the same company. So if we find a couple from there, they may be on the same. Here's the thing. This particular wig has a 2.9 rating. This is one of the lowest rated wigs, but I just skipped right over that, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous now. Dang. Well, like that man from One Republic once prophesied, it's too late to apologize. Too late. It's too late, honey. How much is this wig? I'm already disappointed. I'm gonna tell you why. Mullet wig. Okay, body wave pixie cut wig with bang. Heat resistant. This what the wig's supposed to look like, y'all, right there. Look at the shine on it. Look at that. Look at it. Why did you do me this way? And look at the little bitty hair down here. Baby, they put 14 strands of hair on this wig instead. Ship it! Why would y'all do me like this? How much was this wig? Oh, it was $9.99. Ain't got the nerve to put a little piece of stuffing in there to make it plump. Plump ain't finna help this. We have no features in here. Honey, they know they wrong for this wig. But somebody said it was good now. Cute, different. Somebody did say no combs for security. Oh man, what a great wig. This is my second one I bought. We're gonna throw this on for training purposes. Oh, got the nerve to try to have a feature on top of the ignorant. That's what that $9 paid for, this little adjustable strap in the back. Cause this show ain't paid for no quality hair. It don't wanna stay clasped. I'm so upset with my own self for this. Honey, the clasp don't count. Look, see straight through it. I can see my little clips back there. Gonna have heat damage wig style. Let me put my jacket on, see if it all come together. We're gonna give some effort. Period. When I said I'm gonna find the flyest mullet wig on Amazon, this is not it. I want to be seen so bad. Look, you know what? This wig is for Miss Star. Now, Miss Star is a new member of the church. She getting her life together, and she put away the ways of the world, but she still like to keep some of her wigs. This wig gives her a unique look, cause she's trying to find a man. This her spicy church wig. She used to dance over that club such and such on Thursday evenings, cause that was the night. Wasn't nobody really in there Thursday evenings, and she really had no business being in there anyway. But she was trying to make a couple dollars to get them to holler. And they put her on there Thursday evening, cause she really couldn't. She didn't know how to get an eagle on nothing. She was just up there walking around in a circle. And they was like, honey, you gonna have to do better than that. She was like, you gonna have to take me as I am, come as you are. And they said, baby, you don't even belong. You belong in church, honey. And then she was like, you know what, you right. I'm going down there right now because y'all don't even deserve me. So Star puts on her wig because she used to dance over there in Arkansas and on Thursday night at clubs. So she's like, Sometimes they'll put her on there on Wednesday too. She wouldn't never get the weekend, but she'd get Wednesday or Thursday. But see, now on Wednesday she had Bible study. You see how that thing would turn right around, but she still keeps a couple of her entertainment wigs. I'm not doing it. The gag is, this second one is from the same, but it's a little bit more expensive. One thing about it, they're gonna save money on these bags, but they're not putting it into the hair. So what you saving for? You might well give us some good hair Tita bags. Lowe's or something. That's they one. That's they one. This one is better. It's not super shiny like the other one. Hold a minute. And this one was more, so maybe this one is gonna be good. Maybe this one is gonna be good. Brown ombre pixie cut wig with bangs. Now, this is how it's supposed to look. Right there. That's how it's supposed to look. Now I'm gonna tell you, the quality of the hair is better because this one is, I believe, $18. Yeah. So we are we coming up a little bit. Still nothing but the adjustable strap back there. Little circular closure that we used to make. And let me just throw this one on and see. Hold a minute. Now, okay, quality is better. I ain't gonna lie. How this supposed to look? Hold a minute. Oh. No, it don't. Did they do me? They did me like a mug. It's supposed to be. Oh man, this one ain't it. Y'all don't shut up there and lie to me. Let me see if I fluff it. Maybe it'll, cause you know if you get These folks done sat up here and lied. These folks done sat up here and lied to me. They could have. I'm trying to do it to where y'all don't have to do a whole bunch of cutting and stuff, because everybody can't do that, and I understand that. I'm trying to find something where that ain't the case. Honey, this is a bob with a little bang in the front. Y'all, they done gave me a layered bob and put bangs on it and threw mullet in the description and put it in the Food Line bag and said ship it. You ain't even cut the style into it. Y'all just put some tracks on here. Listen, it's not over. This search is not over, y'all. Don't you fret and don't you worry. We ain't come up with it today. Flambe. This ain't it. Because this part right here, all this supposed to be shaved down. It ain't supposed to be. And then this part supposed to, honey, it's supposed to be short into the long. This is the same length all the way down. I'll be back. It's not over. Don't worry. Don't fret. If you know of the flyest mullet wig on Amazon, tell me, okay? I will try it. I'm trying to find it. We on a mission. So be on the lookout. Is what I'm saying to you. We'll be back, y'all. Peace, love, light.